In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Figma files in Confluence. By the end, you'll have your design living right inside your Confluence page so your team can review and discuss without switching tabs. First, prepare your Figma file. Open the design you want to share and click the Share button in the top right corner of Figma. In the link sharing settings, set access to anyone with the link can view, or choose the appropriate team permissions your organization uses. This is crucial. If the link isn't viewable, Confluence can't display the file. Once that's set, click Copy Link. Before moving on, quickly confirm that the permission reflects what you expect, especially if your workspace has stricter defaults. Now head over to Confluence and open the page where you want the design to appear. Click Edit to enter the editor. If you're building a new section, add a heading or a short description so teammates understand what they're looking at. Place your cursor in the exact spot where you want the design to show up. Paste the Figma URL directly into the Confluence editor and press Enter. Confluence will detect the link and automatically generate a smart link preview. If it initially looks like plain text, give it a moment. Smart links usually resolve after a second or two. Quick note while we're here. You'll find the official links to Figma and Confluence at the top of the description, so you can sign in via the web or download the desktop app if you prefer. Make sure you're logged into the right accounts and have permission to edit the Confluence page you're working on. Switch the preview to an embedded view. Click on the Smart Link block, and in the display options choose Embed. Your Figma file will now render directly inside the page, and viewers can scroll, zoom, and interact with it as allowed by Figma's permissions. You can usually drag the corners of the embedded block to adjust its size so it fits the layout neatly. If anyone sees a permissions prompt instead of the design, that means they need access in Figma. The Confluence embed respects Figma's sharing rules. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your team can now view the embedded Figma design without leaving Confluence, which makes reviews faster and keeps context in one place. As a final check, you might view the page as a standard user or in a private window to confirm the embed is visible. And that's how you embed Figma files in Confluence. It's a great way to keep your design and documentation in one place. Thanks for watching.